Let me spend my time so you know how to spend your money. I'm the Fougère physician, and welcome into this episode of the Fragrance Dissection. And today's specimen is Modhesh Noble from the house of Zimaya. Now, from what I've gathered, this is a fairly new release from the house of Zimaya, and it's pretty much based on that DNA right there. And that DNA is a scent profile that I happen to really enjoy. Let's start with the anatomy. On top, this has bergamot, ginger, cardamom, blackcurrant, orange blossom, lavender, musk, with some amber and patchouli in the base. So this is a sweet fragrance, bright, bold, fairly loud. For me personally, this is kind of a going out or date night style of scent, but for those of you that prefer like a sweeter scent profile, this may be more of a daily driver. Now, for the physiology. Longevity, I get about 6 to 8 hours depending on how much I spray. And projection is really good for the first 3 to 4 hours. Final diagnosis. Personally, I give this a rather strong buy recommendation if you are looking for an affordable version of that original DNA. Now, I certainly don't believe in one-to-ones, and this is definitely not a one-to-one. It does miss just a little bit in the opening, with the original having a fresher, brighter sweetness to it that's probably just a little bit better than you'll find with the Zimaya. However, as it dries down, they become almost indistinguishable. And if you can pick up this fragrance for $45 or less, I think that's a pretty good deal. So let me know what you think, let me know if you've tried it, and let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see dissected. Until next time, save money, smell better.